Abusia for my mama kwa baba Miratech Academy. Mary branding or Miratech TV no based on advice be I mean free me coders like me call for medium coding no. Deliberation say or say it's now Miratech Academy. Inti mama kwa baba Miratech Academy. Na mesre on subscribe yet I'll be subscribing na while like you know one share or follow your Facebook page, LinkedIn page na bibia I kama in due time no subscribers in cost kakra in due time no be first Zoom meeting, then questions be our honey bibia so I engage more na anko yes videos on kwana we be share in due time na I mean say and a video no the second example on pseudocode yedi kan ya solve ama yedi kan your first exercise and ya solve into we exercise 2 into yenhwe the no so ho na yenhwe kwan be fa so solve question is say write a program using pseudocode to accept the name and age of a person and display the name and age. In the pseudocode draw programmer yedi beji edin ene infie dodo a obi edi na ye show and ye display the din no ne infie dodo a wedi no. Nti first of all ye be start algorithm no. Iwi algorithm na ne dia ba pseudocode. Anke be ya anka obetimi apose video no na anka waye wo de. Uwia na wo de atoto ye de nso de maybe solve nso ho na wahye na wahye we twa but obetimi aye ne sa anke beboa but because of some person video ne be tintinti obetimi apose wo de but me to aso nti enhwe solution no to first of all e be start ye share algorithm na e be start the algorithm na accept name because ye program na dey accept name na dey accept age nti ye be accept name first na accept age na ye display name any age na and the algorithm no on say straightforward nti enhwe implementation in pseudocode medical church begin end na ade na na previous lesson and a video ti make us say me share dan che bebre ha nti ye be beginning ye pseudocode no ye best start with begin and say start the algorithm na o share question na ye the program no age edin any age in field do a nipa na di na ye display nti na ye display edin no na ye display age no nti wo share a obetimi a share me or answer na gram media password that nti ento aso variables to do say na e be declare mienu because baako beji edin no na baako agi age no on say first example no na variables na e declare na 3 na num 1 num 2 and sum na sum no agi calculation na a store final answer no sum na display amai but this time around no yen addition yen fa bibia mbebo bibia nti de age no eno an ye display nti say age name a name na an ye display age na an ye display but what I say nti also who the number of variables are be declared based on the crowd here nti yen sha de ye be declare variable name baako I to need name near declare another variable age we shall name way a character the first example na numeric because near age numbers but we a name no enye numbers nipa din but alphabets ni be use into na ha na character and age a number into numeric it first of all we be accepting name you follow algorithm no be accepting name na accept age we are near display name because your variable name accept name ne data nti you know say you display sa name na hu yan say be declare another variable I go store nti ye declare variable ni ne data type a ye accept name no nti ye display name no ye sign wo variable la age a eno so the data type in numeric and also be display age no na ya end algorithm nti example no then share the next one. Also write a program using pseudocode to display the product of two numbers. The product of two numbers multiplication because a product a carry mass a multiplication nti yen hwe kwan a ye be fa so a ye be solve sa problem way ye the programming solve problem we be a ye pesi ye tro software bi na program bi a be multiply numbers na I display results am I nti yen hwe ade. First of all, I started the algorithm. So starting and ending of the algorithm who started we are we also end. The algorithm start the algorithm, accept the first number because program they display the product of two numbers. Into two numbers there, first number never accept it. Now accept the second number. Now multiply the two numbers. Near display the product, that is multiplication. I multiply the results near display, and I bit much display the results. And I bravo. Oh, mean I'm actually accept the first number. I'll bit me I use another word. I meaningful. I accepted the first number. Maybe something like start the algorithm. Enter the first number, enter the second number, and I be the here so what I say, but the whole here say it be make sense. Will be to me implementing in pseudocode. Until you display the product, then we end the algorithm. You show how I ben wo pseudocode name. Until you best starting with begin. That is, we are starting the algorithm begin. O say a previous example no, I mean go back. On say variable name no, character name, and numeric age. On say man fan to us because character we a name. Inti say me the age but to us wa ha me the comma ba na me the age to us wa ha. Age na e be mean say me the accept character. Meanwhile age ni numeric. And inti na me the about the next line and me declare data type on the man. To share we na numeric n1, n2, n product. The inti am here ni say n1 a numeric na me beji. Like first number no a numeric, second number a numeric, and even product no so a numeric. Inti me to me the thing na ba one line so. Na me the comma are separate. It's a data type near the same. Me to me the thing na ba one line so. Na me the comma are separate. But you say. But the data type near the same. I will say a character me the by the next line. Na me declare a variable no. And data type. Anna we na kasa no numeric na my no n1, n2, n product because of saying in numeric and into na me to me the one line. But me pa meet my numeric n1, the next line numeric n2, the next line numeric n products. To say a first example, meet me declare numeric and unquire means first numeric, second numeric, third numeric, first one by n1, second one n2, third numeric n products. Ning I accepted. Just that we NSA say which space baby. But any and cache the here say what they all say. Nti me choose say may use one data type because of say variables ning na be use one data type nti me declare ning na on one line nam de comma a separate nti yen so nti me declare me variable ni we na me declare me data type because of say a short programmer they be multiply two numbers no and I be find the product of two numbers they accepting it. First one they accept n1 and then n1 because I declare variable amount nti we be store sa number no na accept n nam 2 ɛno nso nie na maba compute products saa compute keyword no sɛ okay pseudocode meka sɛ yɛ use keywords bi accept ne compute ne ade nti compute product is equal to n nam 1 times n nam 2 na aba display n product nti wo multiply we no answer no nsave to saa memory we mu nti saa memory we na yɛ display ɛwɔ ha pakyɛ ate aseɛ nti me video no yɛ awa lesson no yɛ awa nti yɛde wei ne bɛsi ha nom na the next video yɛahwɛ example 4 bye bye medam ase